Good morning, this is Jake from Terry Hendricks. I'm going to walk around this 19 3/4 ton Cummins Laramie. I'll show you any imperfections that I see. As I know you say you're from a distance up there in Grand Rapids area, so we do have a couple stone chips on the front, which with 24,000 miles you're going to have right there on the grill. There. Evidently this guy was a bit of a tailgater. Right there in the front of the hood too. Tires are pretty good. Some light scratches on here. Pretty sure that stuff will buff out though. They're not very deep. Back tires still pretty good. Back bumper looks good. I don't see any dents. Let's see, there's been a hitch in there a couple times, but not very much by the looks of it. Edge of the tailgate's not too bad. Sometimes people slide stuff down that, it gets kind of nasty, but it's pretty good shit. There we go. Focus a little bit better. Not all dented up and scraped up, so that's good. Got the lighting in the bed. Let's see, I think the flare on this side had some chips and stuff on it. The other side looked pretty good. I'm not really sure why this one got some more, unless it's from the shoulder. Chip there. Yeah, something right there too, some kind of chips. All the rims look pretty good. They don't appear to be scratched up at all, which is always nice. Let's hop inside here. Kind of blocking the light there. Edge of the seats get just a little bit of wrinkles, but no tears or anything like that. Door panels are clean, not torn up. It's a non-smoker. We got 23,975 miles on it right now. Glare makes things a little hard to see. It's got a clean headliner. Back seats are clean. The ram bin's under there. Go around to the other side. Make sure there's nothing we're missing. Edge of the seat looks good. No cuts or tears. This is something we may have to get taken care of. Looks like maybe there's a latch issue there. It doesn't want to stay closed, so that's something we are going to have to address. Seat on this side looks good as well. Power sliding window with defrost in the windows, which is nice. Let me know if you have any other questions. I would be glad to help you out. This is Jake from Terry Hendricks. 419-591-8115. Thanks.